have here an XDR, and I'll be showing you how to set up Gmail notifications to send notifications from your recorder using a Gmail SMTP server and out to whoever needs the alert. So I've set this up with just admin and admin123. I haven't set up anything. Let's go ahead and allow this plugin here so we can have all settings here. All right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on Management, and you want to go into the networking side here. You want to make sure that you have a static IP, an open static IP. In my case, I have that IP was actually open. So I just ping, and let's say 154. Right now it's going to go ahead and reply to the SEMP packets. But in your case, if you don't see any replies, then that's the IP that you can utilize. And then you just basically uncheck the DHCP for both DNS and the IP. Make sure your subnet mask, your default gateway, everything's good. Right now we're using Google's DNS. You can choose to use any other DNS if you're choosing. Just make sure that DNS is actually working properly. So once you have this set up, then you want to go into the email, and you want to go ahead and enable. And the SMTP for Gmail is it's simply smtp.gmail.com. So let's go ahead and add that, smtp.gmail.com. Port will be using the TLS. TLS port is 587. Username is going to be the email address that you utilize. Now we've created a demo email here just for this purpose. So let's go ahead and have a off-screen email address here. Now password I'm not gonna go ahead and populate. I'm going to show you why I'm actually choosing not to do that at the moment. Mail receiver, go ahead and add that. We're going to send it to itself. You add it here, then add it here, and then click Save. Now, we're almost done here. Now, we can actually elect to do anonymously, but for Gmail, that's not going to work properly. You also have a health enable to basically verify if this is still operational. So let's go ahead and move on. I'm going to go ahead and minimize this. Here is my Gmail account. And one thing you want to do here is you want to go into your Google account. And you'll notice that you have your settings on the left-hand side. You have security. Go ahead and click on security. Then click on two-step verification, which is two-factor authentication. And here it's going to ask you for my password. Let's go ahead and copy that. Put it here. Click next. All right. So now here it's asking me for a phone. Let me go ahead and set up a fake number here just for the demo. Okay, so let's just use this one here. And let's go ahead and elect get a text. Now I've gotten the text, and it's telling me that the code is 75475. This is a one-time code, just to verify that that you have this phone number and it's yours. That way you have a means to get access to your email once you have set up two-factor authentication. Let's go ahead and click Next, and here is your turning on button. All right, so now we've turned on our two-factor authentication. You have a few different items here. You can elect to utilize a security key, like a YubiKey. You can do a authenticator app, which Google also provides that. to be able to access your Gmail email. So now that we have this, we can actually select to add an app password, which is what we are interested in. App passwords. It's going to ask me for my password again. I'm going to copy this, put it here, click next. So text message. All right, let's see if we got a text message. All right, we did. 702-862. That's just verifying that it is you. And it's going to go ahead and ask you what type of application. In our case, it's not listed here. We'll go ahead and do a custom and just call it XVR recorder. And just go ahead and generate it. So now this is your password. Let's go ahead and copy that. And let's go to IE, where I have the recorder here. Let's go ahead and paste that over here. I'm going to do a little save there. Now, I already saved it. If you click on test, it's telling me there's a successful test. Now, if I go to my Gmail account, I load up. Click. It's just asking all this. We have the demo application here with all the information, the event, the channel number, when it happened, the device name. You can actually have multiple names. This device name is actually found in your device's information right here. Locally, from your recorder, you can actually change this device name to whatever you need, so that you can actually get the if you have multiple recorders. If you don't, then it's not a big deal, and it actually will give you also the IP address of it. And that's basically how you would set securely your mail system utilizing Gmail and the app password for your XVR system. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you for watching.